ओम श्रीमद् भगवद गीता चैप्टर 2 सांख्य योग वर्स 23 नैनं छिन्दन्ति शस्त्राणि नैनं दहति पावकः न चैनं क्लेदयन्त्यापो न शोषयति मारुतः। पदच्छेद the splitting of the words. न एनं छिन्दन्ति शस्त्राणि न एनं दहति पावकः न च एनं क्लेदयन्ति आपः न शोषयति मारुतः। अन्वय the rearrangement of the words into a sentence. Enam him shastrani weapons na chindanti cut not cleaves not. Enam him pavakah fire na dahati burns not. Enam him apah waters na kledayanti wet not. Marutah wind na shoshayati dries not. The simple meaning is, him the weapons cleave not, him the fire burns not, him the waters wet not, him the winds dries not. So this is about the Atman, the self. This is all directed towards explaining the nature of the Atman. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Tat Sat Shri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu.